Hello everyone, my name is Nick Obioma. I am a natural medicine practitioner. I am here today to show us how we can use lemon to treat a lot of illnesses. As I've mentioned in the past, that we actually use Chinese and African herbs, leaves, fruit, and other things that is being approved by the God Almighty to treat a lot of sicknesses. Today, I am going to show you a lot of benefit that we can derive from using our lemons to treat illnesses like any kind of stomach upset. If you're having any kind of stomach upset and you have tried all your best to make sure that you are being treated for that, you have visited various hospitals, relax your mind. Today you are going to learn how to use lemon to treat that. However, for some of us also that have hookworms or other worms that have been so difficult for them to be treated, you are going to watch this video and learn how to use it by yourself and treat. I am going to show you this called lemon, and this is also lemon water. It doesn't matter whether you're going to use this or you're going to prepare it by yourself, but I want you to understand that the both of them does the same thing. But most importantly, if you have ulcer, peptic ulcer, please do not use this raw one. This is raw one that has never been mixed with any water, because you know it's another type of antibiotics. So if you use it, it's going to be very harsh and you might experience crisis on the process. But here I am using another type, so that for some of you that have ulcer, you are going to use water and you cut this lemon into pieces and put it in, or soak it in either in a can or in a glass cup like this. And if you soak it, you leave it like 24 hours for it to ferment. After 24 hours, make sure you cover it with another thing, so that it will not, bacteria will not enter inside it. After 24 hours, you can take it. Remember, I said that if you have ulcer, please do not take the one that is pure or juice of this lemon. But if you have ulcer, you can take this. So if you're having any kind of worm or any type of stomach problem that has given you issue, even intestinal bacteria, feel relaxed and make sure that you followed the way I am going to explain. Early morning before food, you take half glass of this, maybe something like this, half of this. Take half glass of this cup. But if you don't have these measurements, there is another shot that people used to take a hot drink spirit. You can take 2 shots of that if you're an adult from 20 years and above. But if you are below 20 years down, you take only 1 shot in the morning before you eat. So if you follow this procedure and take it the way I've instructed you to take it, relax your mind and watch yourself for 2-3 days continuously. I've been taking this. That hookworm, that worm that have been giving you issue, that they have gone to several hospitals and they are unable to treat the worm or other related stomach problems, is going to be solved automatically. And you are going to see that even God in heaven certified all these fruits, certified all these herbs, that we should use it for our treatment. Now, we have been telling you other ways to use most of those products to do that. But today, we have resumed to start using most of our home local products. Thank you and remain blessed. Thank you.